Self, easy and fast assembly 1. Attach the adapters to the rear side of the TV 2. Install the bracket on the wall 3. Snap the TV onto the bracket. Features: the TV mount fits most 13 to 65 TVs up to 79 pounds. Fits TVs with VESA standard bracket mounting holes patterns, 75 by 75, 100 by 100, 100 by 200, 200 by 100, 200 by 200, 300 by 300, 300 by 400, 400 by 200, 400 by 300, 400 by 400 mm and non-VESA up to 400 by 400 mm. Functionality: to provide a better point of view, the mount has 3 pivots which rotate near the wall 180 degrees, fold 360 degrees, swivel near the screen connection plate 180 degrees in addition to a tool-free tilt from -5 degrees till 15 degrees. Touch move: easily rotate, swivel or tilt the TV by gently pushing or pulling it to the desired angle. Enjoy the perfect point of view without any trouble. Patented, fits various screen types. This mount fits both flat and curved TVs, as well as TVs that have special structures on their backs. Some of the TVs have unique structures on their backs such as bumps, indentions, or non-standard connection hole patterns. Those special structures make it impossible to use normal TV mounts. To solve this problem without customers making unnecessary purchases, we developed a line of products based on a ball and socket mechanism, just like in a human shoulder. The 4 adapters can move in 2 dimensions, which allows the mount to hug the screen firmly without any use of spacers or other improvised solutions. World-known brand. Since its foundation in 1988, Barkan Mounts has been working to enhance the viewing experience of the customer. Our expertise is in the development, manufacturing and marketing of designed and innovative TV mounts. Our customer service experts are available every day of the week, and are ready to help. Visit our website to find more information, any kind of help, manuals, FAQ and more. Kids safety. Child safety is of the utmost importance. When it comes to TVs and appliances, our goal is to raise the awareness of possible dangers from a tip-over of the TV. The safest solution is to hang the TV on a strong and safe mount. Therefore, all Barkan TV mounts include a fall-proof system that prevents disengagement of the screen. Top reviews from the United States. This Barkan long white TV wall mount, 13 to 65-inch full motion articulating, is perfect for what we needed it for, bringing our 50 flat screen off of the wall so we can see it head-on from our couch. The opposite wall is French doors. The arm is long enough that if you straighten it completely, the TV will sit at a full 90 degrees to the wall. If you are mechanical, handy, it's incredibly easy to install. Note: you'll definitely need a good stud finder to find both edges of the stud. If you aren't, the directions are all visual, and not that easy to understand, so you might want to find a handy friend or hire someone. Either way, well worth it at the price, and the white one looks quite nice emo.